Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
77-degree air temperature currently, a little bit of fair weather cloud out there, but there's also a lot of blue sky as well. We have a northwest wind coming in at about 13, and the sky still has kind of a little bit of a haze to it. There's still plenty of moisture aloft, but that moisture is being reduced even as we speak by a plume of dry air headed our way. So I think what you'll notice over the course of the next 24 hours is how much deeper blue that sky becomes as we remove some of the moisture that scatters light. It's going to be pretty. Dew point value coming in at 66. That's pretty comfortable. Winds out of the generally west or northwest across the entire region coming in around 10 to 12 miles per hour most everywhere. And I think as we head through the afternoon, we'll probably see those wind speeds pick up just a little bit. Aloft, we're seeing this cold front sink south, and behind it, the dry air kind of streaming in. That's what this tan color is at mid and upper levels of the atmosphere, this dry air. But you'll notice, I think one of the instructive things about the water vapor imagery, it shows you the swirls and motions in the atmosphere. And it's basically a west to east kind of flow. There's no southward plunge to this cold front. So we are looking at some cooler air, certainly some drier air, but no big cold cool down from this front. You know, it's April. It's hard to get that in April. A few scattered showers in inland areas. Possibility of a thunderstorm in inland areas a little bit later on, about 20% chance of that. The low continues to move away from the coastline, dragging a high pressure ridge into our area with a wind out of the northwest drawing down that drier, cooler air. Another frontal boundary back to the west will be approaching us. That will promise us a chance of Saturday rains, but still, until then, sun, clouds. We'll look for the drier air to move in, and a couple of absolutely beautiful days before we get a slight chance that a weekend rain and humidity begins to return as early as this weekend, maybe even on Friday. Northwest wind at about 15. Boaters watch for that. 2-foot seas building to 3 feet. We'll look for a daytime high today that comes in around 82. Tomorrow, Thursday, even Friday, absolutely beautiful. Plenty of sunshine, temperatures fairly mild, and low relative humidity. Moisture probably returning starting Friday, but definitely on Saturday with a 20% chance of a rain shower with the next system coming our way. And then some drier air returns again.